How to unlock your CWB account after lockout. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you unlock your CWB account after lockout. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, search for CWB online banking. After that, you'll get official site of Canadian Western Bank. Simply tap on CWB banking here. After you come on this interface, at the top right, simply tap on sign in. From here, tap on CWB digital banking. Now from here, you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to choose the interface and tap on sign in. And from here, from the login section, at the bottom, tap on can't login. Now from here, tap on unlock account. From here, to unlock your account, you'll have to just enter the valid email or username of your account. After that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number that has been configured. You can choose the method like by getting through SMS or voice call. After that, you'll have to just verify with that verification code. After the verification will be complete, your account will be unlocked. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.